Welcome, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're taking flight with the top 5 best budget drones of 2024. Whether you're an aerial photographer, a beginner pilot, or just someone looking to explore the skies, these budget-friendly drones are sure to impress. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on these incredible drones. So, let's soar into the world of drone technology and discover the perfect drone for your next adventure. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Baited FPV Cetus Lite. Compact yet powerful, this drone is perfect for beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of FPV flying. With its lightweight design and agile maneuverability, the Baited FPV Cetus Lite offers an exhilarating flying experience without breaking the bank. The BTAF Cetus Lite FPV Drone Kit, the perfect entry point for kids and beginners into the exciting world of first-person view, FPV, flying. Designed with safety and ease of use in mind, this drone kit offers a thrilling flying experience while ensuring peace of mind for both pilots and parents. With altitude hold functionality, the Cetus Lite hovers steadily at a set height, making it easy for beginners to control. Plus, its integrated 6-axis IMU sensor ensures flight safety by automatically disarming the motors upon collision detection, guaranteeing the safety of pilots and property. Safety is paramount, especially for children. The Cetus Lite features a propeller guard designed to prevent users from getting hurt during flight. Crafted from durable PA12 material, the frame stays resilient even after crashes, allowing users to fly with confidence both indoors and outdoors. Practice makes perfect. The Cetus Lite is compatible with FPV simulators like DRL, DCL, Uncrashed, and Liftoff through the Light Radio 1 transmitter. This allows users to learn and refine their flying skills in a virtual environment before taking to the skies. Experience the thrill of flying from a first-person perspective with the included VR02 FPV goggles. With a built-in VTX and camera, users can enjoy an immersive flying experience while monitoring flight status through OSD information displayed on the goggles. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. From the drone and transmitter to the goggles, batteries, and necessary accessories, the Cetus Lite FPV drone kit is ready to fly right out of the box. It's the perfect choice for new FPV enthusiasts to begin their flying journey and a safe, miniature toy for children to enjoy. Get ready to take flight and experience the joy of FPV flying with the BTAF Cetus Lite FPV drone kit. Whether you're a kid, beginner, or seasoned pilot, this kit offers an exciting and safe way to explore the skies like never before. Coming in at number 4, we have the Rise Teao. Don't let its small size fool you. This drone packs a punch with its impressive features and capabilities. With its easy-to-use interface and stable flight performance, the Rise Teao is perfect for capturing aerial selfies, performing tricks, and exploring the world from above. The DJI Teao drone by Rise Tech, a compact and feature-packed drone that's perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. With its lightweight design, integrated camera, and impressive flight capabilities, the Teao takes drone flying to new heights. Weighing just 80 grams and small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, the Teao is incredibly lightweight yet remarkably durable. Its robust design, combined with DJI flight technologies, ensures that you can always fly with confidence, whether indoors or outdoors. Take your flying experience to the next level with the Teao's impressive stunt capabilities. With just a simple gesture on the screen, you can perform 8 different somersaults, adding an element of excitement to every flight. You can even let it fly up and down from your hand in bounce mode for added fun. Enjoy extended flight times with the Teao's high-performance battery, offering up to 13 minutes of continuous flight. This impressive battery life makes it one of the longest flight times in the mini drone category, allowing you to capture more footage and explore the skies for longer. Dive into the world of programming while having a blast with the Teao. Utilizing Scratch, a coding system developed by MIT, you can program your own flight patterns and explore the limitless possibilities of drone programming. It's a fun and educational way to learn the basics of coding while unleashing your creativity. The Teao drone comes with everything you need to start flying right away, including the drone itself, propellers, propeller guards, battery, and a micro USB cable for charging. It's a complete package that's ready to take flight and capture stunning aerial footage. Experience the thrill of drone flying with the DJI Teao drone by Rise Tech. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an experienced pilot seeking an ultra-portable flying companion, the Teao delivers unmatched performance and versatility in a compact and affordable package. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Holy Stone HS-175D. Designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, this drone offers a perfect balance of affordability and performance. With its advanced GPS positioning and intelligent flight modes, the Holy Stone HS-175D makes aerial photography and videography a breeze. The Holy Stone HS-175D GPS drone, the perfect companion for adults looking to elevate their aerial photography and exploration experience. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this drone offers an unparalleled flying experience that's perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Capture stunning aerial footage with the built-in 4K camera, featuring a wide 110 degrees angle and 90 degrees adjustable design. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or recording action-packed moments, the HS-175D delivers high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos, even in challenging conditions. Enjoy peace of mind while flying with GPS-assisted flight technology. The drone can automatically return home when it loses signal, goes out of range, or experiences low battery levels, ensuring that your investment stays safe and secure. With 2 included batteries, the HS-175D offers an impressive 46 minutes of total flight time, allowing you to explore the skies for longer. Features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjustment make it easy for beginners to learn and enjoy flying. This drone is designed with convenience in mind. The foldable fuselage design makes it easy to transport and store, while the included carrying case ensures that your drone stays protected during travel. Plus, weighing under 250 grams, the HS-175D is FAA registration-free, making it hassle-free to fly. Experience a whole new level of drone capabilities with intelligent functions like automatic tracing and following, waypoint flying, and circle fly mode. Simply set the desired flight path or point of interest, and let the drone handle the rest. Plus, with gesture recognition, you can easily capture stunning photos and videos with just a pose. Take your aerial adventures to new heights with the Holy Stone HS-175D GPS drone. Whether you're capturing epic footage, exploring new landscapes, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, this feature-packed drone is sure to impress. Our runner-up at number 2 is the DJI Mavic Mini 2 SE. Building on the success of its predecessor, this drone offers upgraded features and enhanced capabilities at an affordable price point. With its 4K camera, intelligent flight modes, and extended flight time, the DJI Mavic Mini 2 SE delivers professional-quality aerial footage without breaking the bank. The DJI Mini 2 SE, the perfect lightweight mini drone for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this drone offers an unparalleled flying experience that's perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage and exploring the world from above. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 2 SE is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to take on hikes, road trips, and other adventures. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or capturing epic moments with friends, this drone is ready to go wherever you go. Enjoy longer flights with the DJI Mini 2 SE, which offers an impressive 31-minute maximum flight time. Plus, with the combo option, you'll receive 2 additional intelligent flight batteries, giving you up to 93 minutes of total flight time to explore and create more. Just a few taps for epic imaging. With the DJI Fly app's easy-to-use shooting templates, capturing professional-level videos has never been easier. Simply select your desired shooting mode, and the drone will automatically fly, record, and generate stunning footage that's ready to share on social media. Experience reliable and long-distance flying with a maximum transmission range of 10 kilometers. Utilizing DJI OcuSync technology, the Mini 2 SE offers enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference capabilities compared to Wi-Fi, ensuring a seamless flying experience. Fly with confidence even in windy conditions, thanks to the DJI Mini 2 SE's impressive wind resistance of up to 38 kilometers per hour. With reliable stability, you can capture content more reliably in a variety of environments and weather conditions. Designed with simplified operations, the DJI Mini 2 SE is easy to learn and master quickly, making it ideal for beginners. Plus, with features like Return to Home, you can enjoy a worry-free flying experience with added safety and peace of mind. Experience the thrill of flight with the DJI Mini 2 SE and take your aerial photography and exploration to new heights. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, this drone offers the perfect balance of performance, portability, and ease of use for all your flying adventures. And finally, claiming the coveted #1 spot is the DJI Mini 3. Setting the standard for budget-friendly drones, this latest release from DJI offers unmatched performance and reliability. With its compact design, high-quality camera, and advanced features, the DJI Mini 3 is the ultimate choice for drone enthusiasts looking for a premium flying experience without the premium price tag. The DJI Mini 3. The ultimate lightweight mini drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this drone delivers stunning aerial shots with ease. Whether you're exploring remote landscapes or capturing epic moments with friends. Weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for taking with you on your adventures, from hikes and road trips to beach days. Its portable design ensures you can capture breathtaking aerial footage wherever you go. Film in crystal clear 4K HDR video and capture details in both highlights and shadows, day or night. With its advanced camera capabilities, the Mini 3 allows you to capture stunning aerial shots with unparalleled clarity and detail. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. Plus, after capturing, your footage is automatically oriented for easy sharing on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Capture epic shots with ease using quick shots, which allow you to choose dynamic flight patterns or capture stunning views with panorama. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the Mini 3 makes it easy to capture breathtaking footage with just the touch of a button. Don't let a little wind get in your way. The Mini 3 is resistant to winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, ensuring steady flight and allowing you to capture your shot with confidence. With the option to use the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you can extend the Mini 3's flight time up to 51 minutes. Plus, with the included DJI RC-in-1 remote controller, you can enjoy a seamless flying experience with precise control and intuitive operation. Experience the thrill of flight with the DJI Mini 3 and unlock a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're a beginner looking to capture stunning aerial footage or an experienced pilot seeking advanced features, this lightweight mini drone is sure to impress with its performance, portability, and ease of use. There you have it, the top 5 best budget drones of 2024. Whether you're a beginner pilot or a seasoned flyer, these drones offer the perfect combination of affordability and performance. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get your hands on these incredible drones. Until next time, happy flying and may your adventures be filled with stunning aerial views.